Tattletale is a remote spying software and keylogger. It works on Windows, Android, and iPhone. What you need to know about it is it does not require you to root their Android device. You do not need to jailbreak their iPhone to use it either. This is important as you look at other solutions. Easy Windows installation. Tattletale installs on any Windows computer just like any other software app. If you can put Microsoft Word on their computer, then you are smart enough to put Tattletale on it. To see how, read this article, How to Put Tattletale on Windows. No Windows password? What if you don't know their Windows sign-in password? No problem. Just sign into your own account on the computer or make your own account. Once you put Tattletale on the computer, it will record everyone who uses it, even if you don't know their password. With Tattletale for Windows, you will see everything they do on the computer. It does not matter if they try to be tricky and use private browsing mode. Tattletale will still see it. Tattletale Review, Android Keylogger. As I said earlier, the most important thing you need to know is that Tattletale does not need you to root your Android device. No doubt if you'd have been looking around at keyloggers for Android, you have read about this. We believe Tattletale for Android is by far the best choice. Let's look at why. Just like our Windows offering, Tattletale for Android takes a screenshot every time they touch the screen. We turn those screenshots into movies that you can watch from our site. Look at the screenshot above. You see the same video controls we offer for Windows. You have the same click chart too. With Android, you watch videos of what they do. You can see them type out text messages or emails. What you need to know is that the keylogging ability for Android is handled through these videos. There just isn't a way to get the keystrokes out like we can for Windows without making you root the device. That is just something we did not want to have people do for the reasons listed at the top of the article. Easy Android spy app installation. Tattletale for Android is easy to put on their device. It is literally no different than installing any app from the Google Play Store. You can learn more from this article, How to Install Android for Tattletale. Tattletale Review, iPhone Keylogger. Tattletale for iPhone is a completely different animal. Why? Because we just couldn't make an app run invisibly and make videos like we can for Android or Windows. Apple just has iOS 2 locked down. You will see as you search around on Google that every iPhone keylogger needs you to jailbreak your very expensive iPhone. Don't do that and mess up your warranty and break your iPhone. With Tattletale for iPhone, we are able to do some amazing things. The best part is you do not need to touch their phone or put an app on it. To see how to set up Tattletale for iPhone, read this article, How to Set Up Tattletale for iPhone. iPhone text message spying. With Tattletale for iPhone, we show you every text message they ever sent, even the ones from years ago. You just sign into our site and view them. We also show you everyone they ever called, every website they ever went to. Plus, we show you all their contacts. iPhone Advanced GPS Tracking. Probably the most amazing thing pcTattletale can do with iPhone is track its advanced GPS location tracking. We can record everywhere they go for up to an entire year. You can see where they are and where they went from the Tattletale website. Let's suppose your husband is at work on Friday. You open up Tattletale and find out he's not at work at all. He's at a hotel. How about your daughter's first date? Wouldn't you want to know where she is at? Especially if it is late and she's not home yet. Just check pcTattletale and you can see she is at the Friday night football game. Row 6. Again, the thing to keep in mind with Tattletale for iPhone is that there is no app to install. You do not need to know their unlock code either. In fact, it is possible to hook Tattletale into their iPhone when they are hundreds of miles away. They will have no idea that you are now seeing exactly where they are standing. Plus, you just got every text message they ever